Ever wonder why a sudden bright light makes you sneeze out of nowhere at times? The photic sneeze reflex, sometimes called ACHOO syndrome, is a quirky crossfire between the optic and trigeminal nerves. When bright light hits, this nerve mix-up can spark a rapid sneeze in some people, especially outdoors. It's largely genetic, and for many, it only happens a few times in life. Today, next time you blink at the sun, remember it might just be your nerves saying achoo, and turn this odd quirk into a funny story. Follow Ever Wonder Why for more daily curiosity bombs.